What's up YouTube? Kyle with ePoolSupply. Today we are back again for another What's in the Box, and today we got the Hayward Navigator V-Flex for vinyl pools. Stay tuned. All right, and we're back. So again, today we are going to go over Hayward's Navigator V-Flex. This is meant for vinyl pools, and when I tear into the box and I kind of show you the cleaner, I'll show you guys the bottom, which kind of distinguishes the difference between the different Navigators on the types of shoes they need compared onto your pool surface. So we'll dive into that when I open up the head, but for now, let's crack this thing open and see what comes in the box. Big fan of Hayward's packaging. Definitely like how organized everything is. So there's not any additional type of accessory package that comes with this. You do get a few pieces, which I'll show you inside the cleaner head box here, but typically everything you need straight out the box just to get up and running is all included. They do give you some cool little things on the side, which I believe you guys can see right here. So they do give you different options. It does not come with a back port fitting. So if you do not already have the snap lock kind of back port fitting that goes into the pool wall, you will want to purchase that because it does not come with one. So that's sold separately. Depending on if you got above ground kind of vinyl pools, they do sell different skimmer plates to fit for all your different size skimmers. So definitely check that out. Again, we've got a full list of parts all below. Anything that we can carry for you guys is all below. Click those links, check them out. Another big one that I really like is it's got an inline filter leaf canister, so that way it kind of helps catch the debris before it hits your system and kind of eliminates the need to have to clean your pool pump basket as often, because we all know once you get those lids off, you got to go really quick as the water drains, and then you got to reprime the pump and put everything together. So really nifty to have an inline one on your suction side cleaner, because it'll save you a lot of time. So again, I pulled out the cleaner head. That's got the cleaner head and some accessories. I got the user manual and a quick start guide, and then I'll go ahead and pull out these awesome hoses. So big fan of the color scheme that Hayward uses with their cleaners. Definitely like this blue. It's real prominent and kind of pops in your color of your pool. Definitely makes that water look a lot cleaner. So, or vice versa, whatever you got going on. But definitely good quality hoses. It's the same, very similar, neoprene kind of plastic that all the other styles have, except for it does have a little bit more flexibility. Definitely like these hoses. So I believe you get 12 in a liter hose. So plenty of length for almost every pool that you're going to put this thing on. So if you need more, again, check out the links below. We do carry some of the 12 packs of hoses complete. Unfortunately, we don't really carry any singles, so if you're going to need some more, you're going to buy some extras at the same time. So we'll go ahead and leave these in here and close this box and sit off the side. All right, so paperwork. I'm a stickler for the paperwork. The paperwork is very important. Though you may just open this thing up, read it once, throw it away, that's fine, because you can access all this stuff directly on Hayward's site, as well as our site, listed in our resources. So definitely check it out. We can carry all these manuals to make sure that if for some reason your cleaner didn't get one, or if for some reason it accidentally got thrown away with the box, we keep onto these. Very important. This is going to walk you through your basic installation as well as any kind of fine-tuning trouble tips that you'll actually want. Most of these you can set up within 10 minutes straight out the box, plugging it into a suction side port on your pool. Remember, this is a suction side cleaner, no booster pump. So this runs off of your regular filtration pump, similar to your skimmer. So there is some fine tuning needed. So you do want to read this. And if you're running into issues, the cleaner's not moving the way you want it to, the cleaner's moving too fast, all those things are dealt with directly in this user manual to help you get that thing moving the way that you want it to. So hold on to it, very important. So again, they give you a cool little quick tip guide. Number one, always make sure you clean your pool. Kind of self-explanatory on that. Check your chemicals. Your levels are very important. As long as your levels are maintained, you're going to get a lot more longevity out of the life of these cleaners. You're going to see that they function well over time, as well as you're not going to have such deterioration done on all your hoses as they float around. Obviously, here for us, we live in Arizona. It's kind of hard with the Arizona heat in the middle of the summer when you're getting triple-digit heat. It does tend to beat on those a little bit more, but like I said, buy a couple extras, store them in a nice, dry, cool place. That way, just in case you get air leaks or cracks, you got a quick replacement. So again, there's a few other good tips on here that'll walk you how to test your length, how to use some of the included accessories in here. So hold on to this. This is a nice little tip. It literally has 8 steps on it. So follow those 8 steps and you should be good to go right out the box. So again, huge fan. I love that they put this in its own separate box. One, because it just makes it way easier for shipping and you don't have to worry about trying to pull something out and it's flailing around and moving all over the place. Big fan. And then when you look inside here, it's got like actual little pieces and niches kind of meant to hold all of these parts as I flip it up and everything falls out. But it does have little cardboard cutouts to hold all this stuff in here. Really nifty. Definitely give props to Hayward on their packaging team. Did a good job. So it does have your regulator valve. This is gonna plug into your skimmer. This is gonna help you get your min and your max suction to make sure that you're in that right middle line on making sure the functionality of the cleaner works for your pool system. So again, check out the quick user guide, check out the user manual. All those are gonna have how to use this, how to hook this up, how to get it going. So again, it does also have a flow regulator where you are looking at a min and max again. So this is going to help you make sure that everything's going to be the right for your system. If you're not following these instructions, you're going to run into issues. So just make sure that you read your user manual, read your quick guide. They'll walk you through how to use this. And the last thing they got in here is just like a little skimmer cone. So this is going to plug into your skimmer if you're going to run your hose straight out of your skimmer. So then that way it gives you a little bit of extra length, so you're not plugging the hose directly down in there. Actually lets it kind of sit up a little higher so that, you know, if you got a little drop off with your rear door or however your skimmer system works, it gives you a little bit of extra height. Plus it actually works as a different type of adapter for you. So it works on almost all of the universal skimmers. So. All right, now let's jump into the cleaner head itself. Pretty, really like the blue. I don't know why, I really like the blue. Cool flaps, decent sized suction inlet right now, which is really good. So a little bit of research, this will take sand, twigs, small leaves. If you're dealing with palm fronds and things like that, most likely this is not going to work for you. But small debris that your normal skimmer couldn't pick up, or that you don't need to be sweeping out with a manual vacuum, this will do the trick for you. As you can see on here, it does have these kind of cork style shoes is what they call them. This is what makes it important for vinyl. So typically when you have a gunite pool or plaster concrete, or you have a pebble tick, they sell different style shoes that are going to atone for that different surface type. So because this is vinyl and everything's really smooth, in order for this to be able to climb around and get up on the walls and kind of go up in harder to reach places, it needs some kind of a grip. So these kind of almost like a foam board almost is this is very important, so that if you're buying this and you're trying to throw this in your traditional pool, understand that it's not going to function the way that you want it to. You want to buy one that's meant for a concrete gunite pool. You don't want to buy one that's meant for vinyl. So this one made for vinyl, made to do what it's intended to do. So again, all these parts, make sure you guys stay tuned. We got plenty of videos that we're going to rip this thing down and completely rebuild it back up for you guys, so that you guys can kind of see how all the working parts move. But very simplistic. It's got like an oscillator kind of system in there with wings on it. So as the suction's coming in from the top, it's spinning that thing really fast, which just kind of agitates this thing across your floor. Very similar to a lot of suction side cleaners. These little flaps kind of move up as it walks, which kind of helps give, you know, a brush for debris, and, you know, hopefully you're going to be pushing everything towards the face of the cleaner. Internally, everything's randomized. Most like every suction cleaner, everything's randomized. So it's not running off a specific gear set where it's going to learn your pool. It's going to go a random direction, stop, turn around. It's going to go another way, stop, turn around. So everything's random, but Overall, if you got a vinyl pool, I definitely recommend the Navigator because it's definitely going to do the trick for a lot of debris and save you guys a lot of time and energy. If you got any other questions about any items or anything, make sure you guys check out the links below. We've got full contacts for us. We're happy to help in any way we can. Again, today we went over the Navigator V-Flex, the one made for vinyl pools, and just showed you guys what's in the box. So I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.